Hello, my name is Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and today I'm going to take you through the 2019-27 Dauntless Boston Whaler. Starting with power, we have the optional white 350 Verado Mercury on the back. You notice you have a great aft seat here, really high backrest with storage built in underneath. You have the dive ladder, which attaches to your swim patio, so the whole side of the boat flips down, which is great for kids and dogs and swimming. If you're hardcore fishing, you can flip this down, and you've got rod holders all across the back. Gets out of your way nice and easy. You have the optional deluxe leaning post with live well, which has a really deep live well here. Yeti cooler built in underneath. Two rod holders on either side. Then moving forward to the helm, you got a great helm seat here. So if someone wants to stand and drive and the other person wants to sit, these flip down. Nice high backrest. The optional fiberglass hardtop. At the helm area, you have the new Raymarine Axia system, which has the fish finder and chart plotter built in. Trim tabs, Bluetooth fusion stereo. You also have the active trim system, which trims your motor as you're running. You do have the optional head, pump out head, built into the console here. Moving forward, we have one of my favorite features on this boat, which is the large seat in front of the console. You have nice flip down armrests and great storage underneath. Rod storage, bucket storage, all your covers. You have great seating up front with pop-up backrests. You have the optional forward table here for lunch. And this boat also comes with the forward sunshade, so it will shade the entire front of the boat. Forward of that, we also have the optional windlass on the boat, which you can operate from up here or from the helm. If you'd like to see this boat in person, my name is Scott Douglas. I can be reached at 910-200-9636. Thank you.